What if you could get paid to do what you love to do? Well, you can. How you doing? This is Coach Carlo. Now, many people say, well, Coach, there's no way in the world that people are going to pay me to do what it is that I enjoy doing. Well, it's just not true, especially in today's economy. You can get paid to do almost anything if you know how. I'm going to show you some skill sets that will allow you to get paid to do what it is that you enjoy doing and get paid to do it. Now, if you're interested in this workshop is going to be a $47 workshop. I promise you, this price will not stay at this price forever. But for those who are interested, this workshop will be taking place on Friday, July 8th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, of course, if you're interested in taking this paid workshop to learn to get paid for doing what you enjoy doing, then go to manifestation course at gmail.com. Again, manifestation course at gmail.com and say $47. And again, that's $47 for that workshop. What I will do is send you out a PayPal notice, send that payment in, and you'll be signed up for that workshop. Again, this is a workshop. All the skill sets, all the things that you've learned up until this point, you can get paid to do them. I'm going to show you how to package that and put it into a paid offer so that you can learn to get paid for doing what it is that you already know. You say, well, Coach, I don't have any skill sets. Not a problem. I can show you how to create courses and, again, teach others how to learn these skill sets, and they pay you. So if you're interested in this workshop, how to get paid to do what you love to do, go to manifestation course at gmail.com and say, just type in 47. What I will do is send you out a PayPal notice, and this will basically sign you up for the course. Now, if you're interested in this course, you must sign up by midnight Thursday. Now, you say, well, Coach, I'm interested in the workshop, but I have to work. I can't be a part of it. Listen, if you sign up for the workshop, whether you're live or not, what you're going to do is get the link for the complete workshop. Once it's completed, you'll be sent that link of how to get paid doing what you love to do. Again, go to manifestation course at gmail.com, type in 47, and basically that's telling me you're interested in the $47 course. I'll send you out a PayPal notice and you'll be signed up. Again, you don't have to be there live to get the information. It will be sent out to you once the course is completed, and you'll have the skill sets necessary to get paid to do what you love to do. This is Coach Carlo saying have a great and abundant day.